how to fix desktop Windows Manager Dwm.Exe high memory and CPU usage. First things first is go to your task manager by right clicking on your taskbar, click task manager, and then you'll have to look for Windows File Explorer right here. If this is not appearing on your screen, just simply pull up your Windows File Explorer first, minimize it, and go ahead and right click on your Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now once everything's set, second thing is gonna be go to your Windows button right here, type in Device Manager, okay, and then from here you'll go ahead to Display Adapters and make sure that your graphics card is up to date. We'll just have to click on this one for this will automatically update itself. Now next is gonna be go back to your Windows button and then type run. And then from here you'll have to type Ridge Edit. Now just click on yes. Then when this thing appears, you go ahead to favorites, go all the way up, and then go to local machine, and then go to system. Now from system, go to control list, current control list, and then scroll down to services. Now click any of those folders and click N for you to be able to go to Indio right here. Now from here, just have to right click on start, click modify. Now change the value to 4 and hit OK. Now once everything is set, close it and then go back to your Windows, type services. From here, look for Windows Management Services. Just press W on your keyboard. Right click on it, go to properties, and then change the startup type to disable. And then click apply and then OK. Once done, close everything. And the next thing is go to your Windows button again, type in settings. And from here, go ahead and click on personalization. Then go to your lock screen. From lock screen, go to your screen saver. Now you'll have to change those options to never. Okay, so those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix desktop Windows Manager Dwm.Exe high memory and CPU usage.